The rain came down last night. It came down hard in the pre-dawn hours. What we've looked at today is, well, a lot of overcast. A pretty typical mid to late fall day after a storm passage. You get the cold air aloft and you get these instability clouds. It makes for a blustery, chilly day. That is the MaxTrack Live Doppler, which right now has nothing on it. That was not the case last night. We take you back to about 1 in the morning. There's that line of thunderstorms coming through. We stop here at 2:30. That's a pretty impressive little squall line. Now, it was just a bunch of thunderstorms. No advisories, no warnings, just nighttime thunderstorms coming through. But again, that rain came down hard for a while. We zoom in, we take you now to 3:15. Look at the lightning strikes. So again, something we have not seen a whole lot of. Jessamine County kind of ground zero for that. You see all the lightning strikes there, and then continues into some heavy rain back in Mercer County. We work then through the pre-dawn. That line of rain continues. One more push came through about 5:30 in Lexington. Heavy rain at that point began to move through eastern Kentucky as well. We work then through 9 o'clock and beyond. We pushed the rain on out to the east, and things began to dry up. But boy, that rain came down hard. From the Kentucky Mesonet, find the rain gauge closest to you. A little bit less, Stanford and Liberty, only at about 4/10, and this rounds to the nearest 1/10 of an inch. Barberville was about 6/10, Boonville was 8/10, but McKee was over an inch. Lexington was an inch, Harrodsburg was an inch, Frankfort a little over. So you get an idea, a little 6/10 amount there coming out of West Liberty. And that rain helps the overall rain situation where we've had obviously a monster deficit going back to the end of August. But in the last 30 days with a couple of fairly heavy rain events, you can see a good chunk of the bluegrass now above normal with rain. And we never got below normal for the year. The pattern is established. Each time we see these bursts of rain, chill follows. For the weekend, we're enjoying another push of warm air. Next week, there's another cold push with a kind of a loud transition. How about this for a change? 20 to 30 degrees colder than we were at this time yesterday, which equates to temperatures off the Kentucky Mesonet again. Middle upper 40s from I-75 north and then going to the east. But it's 55 in Liberty, 56 in Barberville, 50 coming out of Hindman. Bluegrass Airport, we sit at 50. We had an inch of rain and change. West winds at 16, gusting to 23. It is uncomfortable, and obviously that 66 was in the pre-dawn hours. Your daytime high was in the low and mid 50s. So that cold front pushed to the east. Get it out of here. Here comes big high building in. Now, as it does so, we will see improving weather as we get you into tomorrow. Now, we still have the instability clouds in place this evening as the trough pulls off to the east. All that trough is, it's the cold air aloft. We get you into tomorrow evening. Hey, we've cleared things out. And with that, sunshine and abundance tomorrow afternoon. The high continues drifting to the east. Winds will turn southerly for us Friday afternoon, and especially on into Saturday. And when that happens, we warm up. Clearing this evening, fair sky late tonight, cold, a few patches of frost around. Overnight lows will drop down to the upper 30s. That wind may be enough to keep frost formation from happening, though. Upper 50s tomorrow. A great day if it were November. Under a partly to mostly sunny sky, less wind than today. But we go into the upper 60s on Friday. Great day at Keeneland. Saturday looks like a great day at Keeneland as well. I think rain comes in Saturday night. That lasts into the first half of Sunday. Sunday afternoon should be fine. But there's your warmth. Some 70s show up before the next cold push.
Well, it's not so bad at all.
We try and make it nice for you.
Yeah, thanks, Bill.
All righty.